Hey guys, it's Josh from Roofing University. Today, we just finished installing a diamond roof, but we have little returns that are coming down from the garage here that are a little bit smaller size roofs, so the diamond panel might not look so nice there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to make our own small shingles. We're gonna do a 6-inch wide panel. We're just using the old cut-offs. So now that I got my template, we're gonna start templating these.
Hey, hey, I'm staring out my window. I'm dreaming of better days. In the hot sun, we're roofing on and on. In the hot sun, we're roofing on and on. In the hot sun, we're roofing on and on. In the hot sun.
Make sure after you mark them and cut them, take your folds.
This feels like it's taking forever. I think I'm going crazy.
There you are. Leave a little space for the bend. Uno. There you go. So those are your profiles going to look like once it's done. So you're going to need to use some clips to attach these. You can just use a piece of folded steel that will then lock up underneath them like so. There you go. So that's your shingle. So what we're going to also make, we're also going to make some starters too. We need a few starters. So that's how the product's going to sit. And then we're going to make the starter. So we want a little bit of the tipped overhang. So I'm going to start by taking the top of a shingle, cutting my fold line in. Okay, there's your bottom one. Same thing. You want to keep it about an 1/8 inch off that bend line just so it wraps around so that line is perfectly on your bend. And like I said, this is your starting shingle. Oh, there's your first starting row. Boom. If you don't want to use the nail strips, you can also just take the shingle itself. If you pull these back like so, because they're little small shingles, and you have 2 nail strikes right here. Boom, boom. And the next shingle will fit in. So there, a little bit easier way to do it. You can do the same with the starting. Just cut it out to save you from putting a clip in, because a clip can be kind of clumsy with such a small piece. So like I said, just cut it there, fold it. There you go. That's a method where you don't use any clips at all. Just use the shingle itself. Okay, so we spent the last half hour folding up our little shingles. I got cuts for the edges. I got my 3 starter shingles. So, I'm not gonna use a measuring tape on this. I'm just gonna high fudge it all together. So that's gonna slide in there like so. So it goes on just like it would a diamond shingle. I'm just not really worried about spacing as much. Just be careful with these because with all the cuts you made, these little things are pretty sharp. That big timed it right there.
So here to close it off.
Here we go. That's what the little return will look like. It's just a little accent. It's something to signify that I've been here. So every roof I do, I like the little story behind it. There it is. Till next time, big time.